Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick beginner guide on how to buy Bitcoin on Git.io. So to get started, so the first thing to do is to sign up and verify your account. So to do this, visit git.io, then click sign up, then use your email or phone number. Then after that, you have to complete your KYC. So once you're done, you have to proceed to the next step, which is to deposit funds. So you can fund your account via credit or debit card, use Google Pay or Apple Pay. You can also use bank transfer, depends on your region. Then as well, you can use the P2P marketplace to buy USDT or BTC directly from another user. And as well, you can use the crypto deposit. So send USDT to or another coin to your Git wallet. Then the step 3 is to buy Bitcoin. So go to buy crypto or the spot trading section. Then from there, select the pair like BTC/USD. So if you deposited USDT or crypto, so choose the market order, then set your limit order, then enter the amount and hit the buy to confirm your order. Then here's another option where you can simply buy Bitcoin. So you can buy using your card. So you choose your cryptocurrency, then enter the amount, confirm your card via the third-party processor. No Git.io deposit fee, but the processor may charge. As well, you can use the P2P trading. So select a seller, complete the payment of platform, which is a bank. Then you can also wait for your coin to be released, and that's how you can simply buy Bitcoin on Git.io. Find the video helpful. If you did, turn the notification button and subscribe for more. Thanks.